to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Toyota BZ4X. Toyota has made its mark in the automotive world with hybrid technology, and now it ventures into the fully electric vehicle market with the 2026 Toyota BZ4X. This compact SUV, developed alongside the Subaru Solterra, is Toyota's first all-electric mass-market vehicle. The 2026 model brings notable updates. Lower pricing. Both the XLE and Limited trims receive significant price reductions, making the BZ4X more affordable. Nightshade Edition. This new edition, based on the XLE trim, features a striking two-tone paint job and sleek blacked-out styling. Traffic Jam Assist. Standard on the top-tier Limited trim, this feature enhances driver convenience in congested traffic. The BZ4X has a spacious, airy interior, and the dashboard incorporates a digital gauge display and a 12.3-inch central touchscreen. That gauge display is located awkwardly far forward, and the driver looks over the steering wheel at it. So some drivers will find they need to position the wheel quite low to avoid blocking the display from view. The wide center console between the front seats features standard wireless smartphone charging and open storage underneath, although there's no glove box. An optional feature in the Limited is a radiant heating element in the lower dash that warms front seat riders' legs. There's also no frunk. The rear cargo hold volume maxes out at 26 or 28 cubic feet depending upon the model. A front-wheel drive, single-motor setup is standard and offers 201 horsepower that output exactly matches the Kia Niro EV and the base variant of the Volkswagen ID.4. The all-wheel drive BZ4X has two motors, but power increases only slightly, to 215 horsepower. We noted perky in-town acceleration in both the front and all-wheel drive versions. The BZ4X absorbs bumps without complaint, yet it doesn't feel floaty, and the steering is reasonably well-weighted. The price of the 2026 Toyota BZ4X starts at $38,465 and goes up to $43,195 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.